everyone, welcome back to a new video. Isn't this your favorite sound in the morning? I am so happy it's spring and it's warmer and I can finally get back to my ice drinks. I am going to get ready for a little workout. I'm gonna do leg day today. I usually have a little snack in the morning before I work out, but today it's already pretty early. I had a late dinner last night, so I think I'm just gonna go straight to the gym and then have breakfast after. So sometimes I feel out a little bit how I'm feeling. I am really excited to share some of the recipes. I've been really focusing on protein. You guys know that. Honestly, it's changed my life. Feels so much stronger, so many good benefits, but let's get started and let's hop right into it.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen.
Just finished the gym. I did a lower body booty glute workout today. I definitely grew my booty a little over the last few months and I'm actually really proud of it because it was a lot of work. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to make some breakfast. I went through a whole phase where I was making banana pancakes every weekend because I love them so much. But I think I love something more now, and those are cottage cheese pancakes. I know cottage cheese is having a really big moment right now on the internet, but I honestly think for a good reason. It is so delicious. It's very versatile within savory dishes or sweet dishes, and it has a lot of protein, which obviously we love. It also makes it less sweet because banana can sometimes bring a lot of sweetness. I like when the pancakes are not too sweet because I like to put sweet toppings on it. So I'm going to grab the ingredients. I have cottage cheese. You guys know that I really love this brand. This is good culture. I have some eggs, and then I'm gonna grab the oats. So let me see. Okay, so we're gonna start off with cracking 2 eggs. This will be 12 grams of protein in total. Then we're gonna add half a cup of oats. These are gluten-free oats, but honestly you can use anything you want. And then we'll use my good friend cottage cheese, about a 1/4 cup. I'll do a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of baking powder in there as well. So it's gonna make it a tiny bit fluffy. There we go. And then we're gonna mix this. Okay, this is the pan I'm going to use. I love this for heating up wraps or pancakes. I don't use it a lot, but it's very handy for this. I will link it down below. Let's make some pancakes. Oh no, wait, you know which song we gotta put on? It's my favorite song. It is Banana Pancakes from Jack Johnson. Honestly, it's giving me weekends vibes. Oh guys, we are not making banana pancakes today. We're making cottage cheese pancakes. Wrong song. We're gonna put something else on. Alrighty, I got a little distracted. The cottage cheese and the raspberry in the pancakes is such a good combo. It's so good. I'm really full after my breakfast of today, but I'm excited to share today's sponsor with you today, and that is Equilibrium. This is a CBD brand created by women for women. I talk a lot about this in my videos, right, where I have really been on a journey on managing my stress levels. It is really hard to pinpoint and to be like, hey, this is what you do for stress management. It's almost like a bucket of overall little habits and things, and adding CBD to my routine has been absolutely amazing. I use these like daily drops that they have. I also really love the packaging. They use the highest quality CBD out there, which I think is so important because especially in the CBD market, there is a lot of stuff that is all blended up, it is low quality, and it doesn't work as well. So I will take one dropper in the morning, and it was really nice because I was kind of new to CBD and like using it, and I went on their website. They have a little quiz I could hop on with a wellness coach, so I did that, and she like guided me through on the dosage and like also talk about my goals, right? Whether that was stress relief or hormonal health and things like that. So I take one dropper and I do under my tongue. There you go. It has a little minty flavor. All their products are organic. They're also very transparent of where they're getting it from, their farm in Colorado, which I think is always important. I also really like these. These are their nighty sleep gummies. I don't know, I love gummies. It's like a little treat almost at night. They make me sleep amazing. Max the other day also took like 3 of them, had the best sleep ever, and these are also organic, vegan, and gluten-free. I have a code for you. I will link it down below if you want to check it out, if you want to get into CBD. For me, it has helped so much into my stress relief. Like, I don't know about you, but when I feel stressed, I don't have a lot of thoughts, but I feel it in my body. Like my body is telling me something and I feel pressure on my chest or my shoulders. So definitely taking CBD can like really help like calm down. So yeah, I am going to take a shower and kind of get ready, and then I will see you for lunch again. It is lunchtime. To be honest, I am not super hungry because I had quite a big breakfast this morning, but I was thinking making a recipe from my SoulSync Body app. We have a really big nutrition feature, and I was thinking making curry chicken salad. It is one of my favorite things to make because it's really quick and easy. You can put it in the fridge for meal prepping. You can put it on a sandwich, on wraps, on lettuce wraps, like honestly, you name it. So I found this under the lunch section. It is the curry chicken salad. All of our recipes are actually approved by a dietitian to make sure they're well balanced. So you can see this will have 44 grams of protein, which we love. Ingredients step by step, and also the macronutrients if you want to know. So yeah, this is what we are gonna make today. Looks so good. Already grabbed some of the ingredients. So I'm gonna make them on lettuce wraps today. And then the main ingredients you need is curry powder. This is gonna add a lot of flavor to it. I also have Greek yogurt in the fridge, some honey. I didn't have cashews, so I'm gonna use peanuts for today. We're gonna make this now. Is ready. For any new cook or basically for anyone, I highly recommend getting one of these little thermometers because it makes it so much easier to know if your chicken or your meat or your fish is ready. So for chicken, it needs to be on 175 Fahrenheit. So you want to go into the deepest portion of the chicken, so then you actually know that it is good. Definitely. Okay, I'm gonna let this cool down before we're going to shred it, and in the meantime cutting up some veggies. The easiest way to shred the chicken is just grab 2 forks and then pull the chicken apart this way, so you kind of get like a stringy texture. So we're just gonna pull it right here. Okay, so now for the assembly. You want to grab a big bowl, and then we're going to add the shredded chicken to it. We're going to add some Greek yogurt, fresh celery, some curry powder. This is always my favorite part. We're just going to blend everything. You can add a little extra seasoning to taste. Also, some people like their chicken salad more in chopped chicken. I like shredded chicken for some reason. For a little extra sweetness, I'm also going to add some honey. This is gonna work really well with the curry. So I'm just gonna mix this all up. And you can honestly top it with so many different things. I'm gonna add some avocado to it and then also some cilantro. I love cilantro. I know some people really hate it. And then some chopped cashews or peanuts, whatever you like. Lunch is ready. I also made myself a cup of tea. I don't know if that's a weird combo, but we're gonna go with it. Let's try that. I love the little twist with all the spices and herbs. Yeah. On Soulsing Body, we often talk about like having a well-balanced plate, and I actually wanted to chat a little bit more of like what that actually looks like, because when we say that, a well-balanced plate, like a good combination of macronutrients and micronutrients, so having obviously your carbohydrates, some healthy fats and protein, and also the micronutrients with like the vitamins and minerals and things like that, which you get a lot from fruits and veggies. So for example, here we have a lot of like veggies. We have the celery, we have the lettuce, we have our protein, we have the chicken obviously, we have Greek yogurt, which is healthy fat protein, avocado, healthy fats, some nuts on it. There are a little less carbohydrates in here, but that's something where I wanted to talk about, because when we say well-balanced meal, we obviously want to hit most of this, but often the way I think about it too is really in like what I eat in a day, right? So if I maybe don't have carbohydrates during lunch, I will incorporate them during dinner, or vice versa. Maybe I've had a lot for breakfast and then I don't have them for dinner later. So sometimes you do not have to stress about when you maybe not incorporate it into one lunch, where you're like, oh wait, maybe this is not well balanced because I don't hit one. Just make sure to like have it with your next meal. And that's kind of the, I don't know, I feel the holistic approach that I have to nutrition. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. I'm gonna eat this now. So delicious. Okay, this is what I got at the grocery store. So this is for dinner tonight. I decided to do ground beef. I got some garlic, some fresh lime, and then I got some coconut aminos, which is just like soy sauce, some fresh ginger, some other veggies, arugula, and then I also got some flowers. I thought these were really cute. So yeah, this is what we're gonna work with. I am going to make Korean beef with white rice and broccolini. Max is not at home, so I'm just cooking for one person. And a little trick that always is so helpful for me, and I recommend this for everyone if you don't like cooking for one person and if you want to save time throughout the week, is apply cook once, eat twice. I talk about this a lot throughout my challenges and stuff, is to make actually a portion for 2 people or 4 people, because you're already doing all the cut work, you're already cleaning up everything. So by making a bigger portion, you can just put it in the fridge and eat it tomorrow. So I will have 0 prep and I will have 5 minutes of warming something up. I just got a grass-fed 100% ground beef. I feel like I have gone through a period, I think this was a couple of years ago, where I was kind of more plant-based. And to be honest, I was honestly not feeling really good. I felt very like heavy, a lot of digestive issues. Maybe plant-based works for you or works for other people, and that is completely fine. But since the moment I have been incorporating more meat, I've been feeling so much better. I'm feeling so much stronger. I've been able to build muscle. My digestion is really on point, but I do always try to make sure to get a good quality meat. So either I go to the farmer's market, well today I did go to supermarket, but always make sure to get grass-fed beef. So I already made the rice, which is amazing, in my rice cooker. I always talk about how good a rice cooker is. You need to have one. The house smells amazing, and it's going to be so simple. I'm just going to make this in one pan. Roll some broccolini. I also bought some sauerkraut, so maybe I have that with it. So let's cook some dinner.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to
Often before I actually have dinner, I will take 3 breaths. This just makes me feel more mindful and kind of like close out the day and just being able to really focus and appreciate my dinner and food. I know sometimes like mindful eating, they say like don't watch TV and stuff, but for me, I actually find it very mindful, that little moment in the evening where I just watch something and I don't think about anything or something. So yeah, for everyone else, something else works. Okay, I'm in bed right now. I made a cup of tea and then I grabbed these. What are these? Superfood dark chocolate BTR brownie butter hazelnut cups. I got them a few days ago on the airport. I love anything with hazelnut butter, honestly. I love ending my nights always with some dark chocolate. That is just my go-to like guilty pleasure for anyone who knows me. Like I don't even love that many sweets, but when there's a chocolate dessert on the menu, I'm getting it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day video. I hope it's inspired you for some new recipes. Honestly, that's always the goal for me. It's just like inspiration for new type of recipes that you can make at home or with friends or for your partner or you name it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All your support is always so appreciated, and I will see you very soon.